Hello everyone and welcome to another video of interviews. So in this video I'm gonna talk about 10 most common questions, some basic questions of interviews of front-end developers. So the first one, it's what's the difference between HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? So HTML is not programming language. So it's hypertext markup language. Defines the structure of the web page. So show the elements. CSS means cascading style sheet. Control the layout and presentations. Styles you want to set. And JavaScript is a language, and it adds interactivity and dynamic behavior. So we use these three ones in front end. So how does the structure is? So if this is the user interface, let me just we have HTML, we have CSS, we have JavaScript. So this is structure, this is style, and this is behavior. Wrong spelling. Behavior. So this is the difference. So this is very basic questions. So the first one is that. And let's go to the second one. What is the DOM? Document Object Model. It's a tree-like structure presenting the DOM content of the web page. JavaScript can read and modify the DOM to update UI. So what is the Document Object Model, or DOM? That's it. HTML, body, division, tag, and key. Say hello. This is the definition of DOM, or Document Object Model. So basic and so easy. Number 3. What is different between these equal and these equals in JavaScript? The first one, check for value equality. Perform the type creations. But the second one, 3 equals, check for both value and type equality. Let me show an example here. So already we're gonna have a script here, and let's go variable console.log 0 plus plus 0 and console.log 0 plus 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 0. So let's see what's the difference between two. And let me open up the page. See the console. First one is true and second one is false. Means that This 0 is 0. It doesn't mean it's a string or integer, but this one is check the variable type. So this is the difference between these two. So number 4, what is the responsive web design and what does that mean? We have desktop layouts, we have tablet layouts, and we have mobile layouts. So how we can check the sizes. To practice designing websites, work on all the screen sizes, media inquiries in CSS to adopt layout. So you should use media inquiries like this. Style, @ media, max width. I'm gonna set it to this one. So we have a division here. I'm gonna put an ID. Let's set an ID here. Oh, the class. Main class. I'm gonna set the main class color to red and this size, and the main class color and this one blue. So let's see what happens. Let's refresh it. Is it but blue? Main class, main class. What is not working? Okay, now it's blue. See, it's that is blue. I'm gonna put it on inspect and use mobile device. It hits cloud, but just let me change the font size. 200 to see the difference. It's hello. In normal view, it's like that. But if I change this to let's min width. So it's not changing. Why? Did I? Oh, I didn't set the pixel here. It's turned red, so you see it's hello here. Min should be max. So now it's blue. When I zoom in, it's gonna change to red. It depends on device size. So this is media inquiry, how we use that in the file. Okay, so number 5, what is the virtual DOM? A lightweight copy of the real DOM. and React uses it to efficiently update the UI. So diagram is like, this is not a code problem, code thing. This is like a diagram. So it's virtual DOM div algorithm thing, and this is real DOM updates. So this is just a technical question. You don't need to write any code or something. You just need to explain it as like a diagram. It's virtual DOM definitions and real DOM. This is it. Let's go to number 6. Explain event delegation in JavaScript. Instead of adding event listeners to each child, a single listener is added to the parent. Use event.target to find actual click element. So what does that mean? So we're gonna create a listener here. Let's create a button here. Hello world. What is that event delegation means? And we say document dot get element by ID. Let's set put that button under like this one, and let's set ID of this in main class. So we're gonna use the we're gonna use the parent. Check the parent and check the child click. I will show you. So this is the main class here, and this is the button. This is the main tag here, and this is the button here. I'm gonna handle button with P class. So document that find element by ID. ID is main class. I'm gonna add listener click, and I'm gonna create a function here. Let's go over there. This is gonna close. I'm gonna check if e.target dot matches dot child dot child I'm gonna alert it. Hello world. So what does that mean? We have multiple elements with main classes, and we want one element. Main classes have can be a lot of things, divisions, everything. And in all the classes we have the button with same result. I mean, when you click the button, it's gonna do same result. But let's see what happens now. Oh, it's so small. Oh, sorry, I didn't put that here. I'm gonna set the class to child. Okay, when I press it, something should happen. Console not working. Why? I will just copy the code that I created. This is the parent, and this is the child. Oh! Yeah, that is correct. This is the parent, and this is the child. Click function. Alert, child clicked. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this one. Hello world 2. See what happens when I remove the child. Nothing. Same classes, same parent ID, but nothing happens. But when I click on this one, I get the alert. So this is how we defined the sub item from the parent in JavaScript. It means event delegations. Let's go to number 7. What are promises in async and await in JavaScript? JavaScript doesn't run the codes line by line. So sometimes you need to connect to API and wait for response. But JavaScript doesn't wait for that response. It moves to next code. So we use the sync and wait to get that data, like this. Sync, it should be like this function. IntelliSense should work in some places and should not. Anyway, get data and const response. Await. Fetch, for example, API, and const data is equal to wait again, response the JSON, and we go console.log. So you see, if I don't use a sync and await, the code's gonna go for itself. Let me see if I have any get API to test that. My postman is dying. Yes, it's hello. Hello? Sign in. Hello? Oh God, I cannot sign in now. Okay. So why we use async and await? It means this line runs, but the API doesn't respond yet, but the function doesn't wait for API to get the response, and it goes to next one. So when you get console log data here, it's gonna be null, nothing, empty, or something like that. So we use async here, and we use data here, await here, to avoid this problem. Okay. I'm gonna comment this because I need. Okay. So, number 8. What is the difference between var, let, and const in JavaScript? Var, it's synonym of variable. Function, scoped, hosted. So you can use like var I is like I, var b it's like 1, var c it's like 2f. So, sorry, we don't have a figure, 2.5. So this is the variable. We can use it in everywhere, and you can use it as a function too. This is the variable. You can change it. It's functional, and you can use it anywhere. So next one is let. It's block scoped. Like this. Let's x is equal 10. X is equal 11. Also log x. Let's see what happens. It's 11. It's not different. You cannot use it as a function. It's look like variable, but you cannot use it as a function. So the next one is const. It's block scoped and cannot be reassigned. Means const y is 10. It's gonna be stay 10. You can change y to 11. Yeah. You cannot change the variable. If you like, it's 11. We cannot change it. It's one time. And number 9. What are single page applications? SPAs. So this is for React Developer, Vue Developer, and Angular Developer. Applications that load in single HTML pages and dynamically update content. Avoid full page reload for better performance. So you can do that with React, with Vue, with Angular, with TypeScript. Even you can do it with Razor in .NET. So these are the frameworks. SPAs are frameworks of frontend. And the last one is number 10. What is the CSS processors? So tools like Sass or Less that add features like variables, nesting, mixins, or others. Improves CSS. Like what? Like we have here, we want to use a color every time we want to use it. We don't need to put the color code. We assign a color here like this. Primary color. It's like sharp. I don't know. Let's keep it from here. I don't want RGB. Okay, let's say that RGB. It's gonna be like this. So it's in Sass. So I should create a Sass file here. So use it like this. And dot body. I think I made a mistake here. Yeah, background that color, it's dollar primary color. So let me just check the Sass file. Remove the extension. SAS. Let me just change it. I'm just trying to find some color here. What is it with that? Sorry, I should check something on my network. Let's see what's the problem here. Let's put this color here and body background color. It should be like this. So what is wrong with my internet? Okay, that's working now. I'm just checking it because I'm using VS Code. It shouldn't return error, but I'm gonna check that. Hello. Problem is for VS Code or oh, sorry. Root. It should be here, I think. Yeah. And we use it like variable primary color. Yeah, it's fixed. So let's see what happens. So turns into green. So it means when you have roots, when you create a variable, you don't need to put the color every time for like RGB code or anything like that. You just need to create a variable in root and put it in any class you want. So this 10 questions was the most things that I've been heard. So it should be a lot more. First of all, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions about this video or items, just send me directly DM in Telegram or Instagram or comment. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell and share it. We're gonna have a bigger community, bigger videos. The video is going too long. I'm just working on top 10s, but you can ask and comment for other questions that you may need to know about it. Thank you so much again. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. Waiting for your comments.